I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green wheat grass. First, gather your supplies. You'll need organic wheat berries, shallow trays with drainage, and a quality potting mix. Begin by soaking 1 cup of wheat berries in cool water for 8 to 12 hours. This step is crucial for germination. After soaking, drain the water thoroughly. Prepare your trays by adding about 1 inch of moist soil, ensuring it's level and ready for planting. Now it's time to plant your soaked wheat berries. Spread them evenly across the soil in your trays, aiming for a dense, single layer. Gently cover the seeds with a very thin layer of soil, about 1/8 of an inch deep. Mist the soil surface lightly with water to keep it moist, but be careful not to create puddles. Place your trays in a warm location, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, to encourage germination. Continue to mist your wheatgrass daily, ensuring the soil stays consistently damp but not waterlogged. Avoid placing the trays in direct, harsh sunlight during the initial growth phase. Indirect light is much better. Your wheatgrass will typically be ready for its first harvest in about 7 to 10 days, when it reaches a height of 6 to 8 inches. Use sharp scissors to cut the grass just above the soil line for the best yield. After your first harvest, you can often get a second cutting from the same tray by continuing to water it. Be vigilant for signs of mold, which usually appears as white, fuzzy patches and indicates overwatering or insufficient air circulation. To prevent this, ensure good airflow around your trays. If natural light is scarce, a simple grow light can provide the necessary illumination for healthy, vibrant wheatgrass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.